In this video, I'll be showing you how to factory reset Dell laptop and PC without password if you've forgotten password. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. Now, if you're locked out of your computer and cannot remember your PIN or Microsoft account password, you don't need to worry, because Windows has built in a loophole that allows you to bypass the login screen entirely and trigger a clean factory reset without entering a single password. So what you want to do is wake up your screen so you're sitting on the main Windows lock screen where it asks for your password, and look at the bottom right corner of your monitor and click the power icon. Press and hold down the physical shift key on your keyboard, and while continuing to hold it down, click restart on the screen menu. And if a pop-up appears saying restart anyway, click it. Don't let go of the shift key until your screen goes black and blue, and then choose an option menu environment screen boots into view. Now on the blue menu screen, click directly on troubleshoot, and on the secondary sub-menu dashboard, select reset this PC. Now what you want to do is bypass the password gate security lock. You're going to be presented with two choices: keep my files or remove everything. And you have to click remove everything since you don't have your password.